So here's currently my new home internet setup. I'm not proud of all these wires here. I have to get them all straightened out. I just got this thing working last night, and what I'm doing here is getting Comcast cable in, and then I have a cable modem here. So I've had this before. You guys have seen this before. There's the cable modem right there, and that's going into this Wi-Fi router. So there's the same Wi-Fi router I was using over there. The difference now, though, is I'm feeding the Wi-Fi router into the house LAN. So computers in the house can get on this Wi-Fi, but I took this white cable here, and the white cable now is feeding into the home network. So I did connect up a bunch of RJ45 connectors up in the wiring closet to a hub up there. So switch. So now that white wire is heading up into the wiring closet in the bedroom. And so all these jacks in the house now have become jacks for connecting up a computer with Ethernet at a gig. So this is a 5E wiring. So it's Cat 5E, which is pretty fast.